What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dog, man. I'm currently driving right now, man. I'm headed to my boy Keem. As y'all can see by the title, man, we finna buy a shell today, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, for the Chrysler 300 Hell Dog, bro. Simple as that, bro. That sounds crazy to say, I'm not gonna lie. Chrysler 300 Hell Dog.
Nice.
But anyway, man, I'm about to head to my boy Keem real quick. About to check out this shell he got from COPART. He got the shell from COPART as well, bro. So we just getting, I ain't gonna lie, we just getting lucky, bro. So we're gonna go check it out real quick, man. I think it's a 2013 or 2012, I'm pretty sure. But it's a V6, you know what I'm saying, shell, clean title, man. Everything like that. So we finna just go check it out real quick. Simple as that, bro. So right now we in a 5.7 thing right now. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. And of course, we got the police right behind us.
Lock his ass up. You going to jail. You going to jail.
Fucking of course, bruh. All right, y'all, they done turned to your boy, man. But yeah, man, when I get there, man, we begin recording again. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video, bro. Drop a like on this video right now, man. Don't forget to subscribe, bro. We still need 15K for the full Hell Dog build, man. Just getting the cat ain't the Hell Dog, bro. So, like, if y'all want me to make it into the Hell Dog, y'all gotta subscribe right now, bro. And drop a like, bro. Oh, we got the little kid. Got the little kids happy as hell, man. But we about to go check out the shell, bro. I'll begin recording in a second. No kissing.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, we done made it here to the shell, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna show y'all just a little bit. I ain't gonna show y'all the whole car yet, man. As y'all can see, man, we got a nice donor here from COPART, man. 2011 Chrysler 300, bro. This thing is in great condition, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. Clean title, come with 2 keys. I think my boy Keem said he bought it for $2,500 off of COPART after fees, bro. After fees, $2,500 for this car. I'm gonna show y'all, bro. But here it is, man. The shell, this is complete. The shell right here, man. No cap, man. Y'all already know we got the HELLCAT donor car. Now we needed the shell to put the donor car in, man. Simple, man. So here it is. Chrysler 300, the first Hell Dog, y'all. On the way, man. As y'all can see, man, we got the silver server. I don't know what you want to call it, man, but we got the Chrysler 300 right here, man. As y'all can see, man, got all the... I gotta wash all that off, man. Let me see the door. Yeah, doors open. Cool, man. As y'all can see, bro, everything is cool as hell. We probably gonna replace that, but everything else is good, man. Seats is good, bro. Smell like a little reefer in this motherfucker. I ain't smoking in the motherfucker. But we got 2 keys and everything, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. We got 2 keys and everything, bro. Nothing's cracked. We got the panoramic roof. We got the whole package with this Chrysler, man. It's a 2011. This is a 2nd gen, bro. If y'all don't know, I already got a 1st gen SRT8. I got a last gen 5.7. Now we finna have a 2nd gen Hell Dog, bro. This is crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We got all 3 generations, bro. Chrysler, bro. I need a sponsor at this point, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I need a sponsor at this point. But yeah, man, this is good condition. This smell like weed, bro. But this just need to clean up. Let me show y'all the whole, you know what I'm saying, body and everything. No damages, no accidents. Not gonna lie to you, bro. Let me go ahead and look under the hood too for y'all real quick. Good little Hellcat action. Shut
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Good little Hellcat in this motherfucker, y'all. Anyway, man, we got the good V6 thing right here, man. As y'all can see, man, this is the shell we looking at, y'all. We gonna take this out. We probably gonna take this out tonight. I'm not gonna lie to you. This probably gonna be next video when we taking everything out, man. But as y'all can see, bro, everything is looking good, bro. I don't know if it running drives. The battery is dead, so I don't know if it running drive, but this thing is in good condition, bro. As y'all can see, man. Hold on, let me check the trunk too. Is there anything in the trunk? Hold on. Oh, it don't got no power. Oh, it don't got no power. I don't think we can. Oh, we can't open the trunk. We can't see what's in the trunk. Hold on. Come on, man. I'm big Chrysler 300. Dang, they don't even have a freaking pool thing to get in the... Golly, that's that 2011 shit. It's all good, man. This is the shell right here, bro. Happy to show y'all what's going on, bro. Not gonna lie to you, man. So, clean title, like I said. $2,500 for a donor car, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting lucky. I ain't gonna lie. Shout out to my boy Keem. My boy Keem is coming crazy, bro. He be buying all these donor cars and HELLCATs and SCATs and selling them to y'all, man. Make sure y'all tap in with my guy, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Got paperwork for all cars. So we come in trim, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hell Dog right here, man. But silver surfer, motherfucker. Ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all know we gonna change the bumper, obviously. Gotta change the bumper, change the rims, obviously. Let me show y'all the rims on the Hellcat too, man. What we gonna be putting on. I ain't gonna lie. Should I sell these rims, y'all, or should I paint them? Paint them black, gunmetal satin like my 5 spokes is? Or should I do chrome, man? Y'all let me know in the comments. I wanna do some different shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hold on, so we got the rims right here and everything like that, bro. We got the regular Hellcat rims. I don't know why they painted them red with this green. That's very nasty. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's all good, man. Y'all know we got the seats in there and everything, so we're gonna put these seats in the got the SRT seats right here. If y'all anybody want to trade, let me know. This 2016 SRT seats don't got the Hellcat logo on them. I do want the Hellcat logo red seats, man. I'm not gonna lie. So if y'all got a good deal on them, let me know. I'll throw some money on top of this. Or shoot, y'all just throw a good price at your boy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we got everything interior wise stripped on the Hellcat, bro. So that's that right there, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I need y'all to drop a like, man. I'm doing this for y'all, bro. I'm doing this for y'all, bro. Y'all thought I was capped. Y'all thought I was gonna build the Hellcat supercharger on the 5.7 or the 6.1. No, bro, we going all three Chrysler generations, bro. Each engine in each of them, bro. Simple as that. I can't even talk right now. I'm excited. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, gang. But yeah, man, this ain't gonna be too much crazy video, man. I know, I showed y'all this shaker last time. Y'all already know they gonna probably throw this in the 300. This from Copart as well. Hella damage on the left side. Y'all can see right here. So y'all know 50th anniversary too, by the way. Shaker motherfucker too, man. Let me show y'all. Let me look what's in there. They definitely gonna go crazy with this build. I ain't gonna lie. Hell yeah, man. Good little 6.4 action, man. Y'all tap in with my boys, man. They gonna have this thing. Probably when my build done, this build gonna be done too, bro. So y'all tap in with my guys, man. But I just wanted to show y'all the donor car. We do have an official donor car real quick, man. I wanted to do some cinematic reels, but the car can't move right now, so I can't get no good angles of that. So we gonna have to push this thing later on, man. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. My boy King said we probably gonna strip this out today. I'm probably gonna put that in the video as well. Probably just taking the interior out. I'm pretty sure we probably ain't gonna take the engine out or nothing like that, but we're gonna take the interior out, man. No cap. So shoot, when I see y'all later tonight when we do that, man, I'm gonna begin recording again, man. But I definitely wanted to show y'all the donor car real quick. We finna get the process of stripping everything, so make sure y'all stay tuned for them videos. Make sure y'all hit a like, sub. I'm gonna keep dropping for y'all, bro. I'm not gonna lie, we gotta change the whole. This is how we gonna have it. I low-key want my Hellcat to look like a sleeper. I want it to look just like this, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, but when you pop the hood, it's a Hellcat hood, bro, or a Hellcat engine in there, bro. Some crazy shit. Hey, man, but yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in like a few hours. Gonna be like 3 seconds, but I'll see y'all in a few hours. Probably gonna be dark time, man. But yeah, I'll see y'all later, bro.
Record.
Hell yeah.
What's the word, y'all? Like, usually I'm late to the function. There we go. Oh, shit. There we go. We looking good.
Got some power in this motherfucker.
I'm late to the function. Motherfuckers finna gut this. That honey to drop the trailer.
I heard you.
I had that bitch through. I was happy on 2 wheels. That motherfucker was on 2 wheels leaning, bro.
God
I swear to
damn.
God. Look, it was raining, right? Why the whole trailer slide on the wrong side of the road? I swear it like this. I swear to God. When you can use these big ass high powered ass guns on these seats, you get the stripping shit, bro. Pay the attention, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I already stripped one. I ain't even showed it people. I showed you strip one quick as hell.
Don't strip that shit, bro.
Man.
If you don't have a power, just use it by hand, bro. You won't strip that shit.
I ain't gonna lie, I was using by hand though.
Bit.
I still stripped that. I ain't show y'all that. Yeah, but shit, we finna get this shit cracking, bro. As y'all can see, man, we got power in this mother. That clean title Chrysler 3 Honda, man. Let that thing power up real quick.
Only thing that's right is this and this. If you feel all the other seats and fucking door counters, it's like only one person drove this car.
Not that ass.
Get that going. Here, take this right here. Young man, that's slow as shit. I just
Got my fucking pit crew, man. This shit crazy. Man, I ain't gonna lie, for just set the tripod up for
Huh?
Andrew getting married.
Bro, what are you talking? Bro, what are y'all talking about?
Let me get these. Oh, man, y'all. Let me
Somebody
take
said
this.
that.
You finna make me mad,
Bitch
bro.
up in the earth right here.
What's going on, bro?
Shit.
What
Shit, I look right here. Fuck out here and work. So,
No, bro, because this was
show y'all.
about, bro. Because somebody just
Show y'all. So, look, dog.
Talk to me, man.
Be married.
You got that bitch hell.
Like, is this a
look. When I tell you turn the steering wheel,
shit? My mama's
turn it. I'm gonna use this other flashlight. Look over there real quick.
So these boys goddamn taking this center console out and shit, man.
This on at the top.
At the top?
We just got 4 of them at the top, 2 at the top.
That's the one with the 14. Look at this. Yeah, no miss.
Y'all niggas don't be getting confused with all these wires and shit.
Nah, hell no.
That's the only thing I feel like I really fuck up on.
10. What's this, 10? All these 10s.
D10! D10!
They got light below, that's all.
What's up, fuck? Off this. Why they do that? That's better. What's inside of me?
When y'all boys gonna take the engine out?
Oh, I'm probably gonna kill you, Rick. But the jump this week, this week. Probably, realistically.
These are original things. They keep these.
Oh, you talking about the little bad thing?
This.
Oh, he's saying.
These are your doors. In your glove. Oh my god. Did he?
Diddy, come on out. He's
Bro, what the fuck? Hey, that's crazy because out of everything that could have been in there.
Nah, it's hand sanitizer.
Oh. Nigga, I just see a bottle that clear, nigga. That shit so like baby oil from afar. Oh, God.
Oh, just real quick.
That's crazy word.
Fuck around, put the thumb there. You won't believe what I found in my
All right, y'all can see, man. These boys done cleared this bitch out quick as hell. Not gonna lie, we only been like 30 minutes, bro. Literally, bro. Center console gone, back seats, front seats. Stepper, what you working on?
I'm taking the e-brake. I'm taking your handbrake. I mean your hood latch up right now.
Man, them boys getting this shit done, man. What's faster? Putting this shit in or taking this shit out?
Taking it out for sure.
Yeah, for real?
Yeah.
Thought it was gonna be easy. But shit, I'ma time lapse this shit when the
Shit, you did that, gang.
I drop my own shit there.
No, nigga, you throwing shit across the top of this man's roof. He got a whole moon roof on this bitch, gang.
Definitely do. I ain't gonna lie.
Just like this man play, you throw it in front of you. You could have did it, and then one hurt.
That's what I'm like, damn, this is right here. He gonna throw this shit.
Like she having thought, you better apologize to him.
It was no disrespect, dog, bro.
Hey, dog.
All right, y'all. So this is the update on the car right here, man. These boys done got the middle console out, the seats out, bro. Stop when we doing the engine, man.
What's the word, gang? So more of the story, man. Finna beat the shit out this nigga, man.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Whoop his ass. I'm gonna put this motherfucking dash on my back, Humpty Dumpty up the street.
You gonna put the dash in your back? Let's do it. Let's do it.
Dude, I can. Bro, I can pick this up on my own.
That's cool.
No, you pick it up
Walk
first.
all the way past your truck.
Show me.
Oh, mama, I can pick this up myself, though.
Let me see you.
Nah,
Break your little ass back.
I'm okay. Yeah, man, we got this dash out. Shout out to them boys, man.
Really good, man.
I ain't touch shit, bruh.
This nigga be fucking
I ain't touch shit. When I'ma touch something, bruh, I don't do that. I can swap better than him.
You probably can. Shit.
No, I'll tell you. You got it. Huh? Y'all niggas took my bread.
You did?
Hell yeah.
It's for a good cause, though.
Shit, man. I'm gonna see y'all next video, man. Keem, let the people know. It's on you, bruh. When we doing the engine?
What's today, Monday?
Monday. Damn, Monday. Damn, it is Monday.
Like Wednesday.
Wednesday.
That's like
Wednesday. Say that, man. Wednesday, bro. Okay. Man, I'm gonna see y'all later though. I'm out.